Doesn't sound too healthy, does it? Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, hopefully a quick video on the Corsa C, the little car we saved from the scrapyard. As you saw before, let's turn the light on. The old window switch is pretty naff. It does work, but it's like there's no spring in it. It doesn't feel like that. So what I've done is I've bought another one. This is a brand new one from eBay, and that's how it should feel. And I actually wrote on the box how much I paid for it, didn't I? Yes, £14.49. So let's see if we just do a quick job on this. Now, I've got a feeling that we'll be able to just undo the bottom part, pull it away and reach up inside. But how are you going to be able to see what I'm doing there and what to do on this? So my intention is to actually take the whole panel off, and then we can see behind what you'll need to do with your hand. So let's, well, ultimately, let's get a torch and find out what fixings we got on this. So it looks like got a little T20 Torx in there, and then under here there's a T25 there, and another one under there somewhere which I can't see. There. And then I would imagine the rest would just pop off with a trim tool. I'll have to lift it over that, obviously unplug that I guess, and there must be something going back to the lock from there. But if you can get your hand up behind it, you won't have to disconnect any of that stuff. So let's get the panel off or get it undone and see if it is possible to reach that one without pulling the whole panel off. I reckon it's doable. So if we look up in there, you can't really see it, but I can put my hand on the switch up there. Obviously I can't do it with you in the way, so I reckon this is quite doable just by reaching in. Actually, should we just try it? Yeah, let's just try it. So we can see from this switch that we've got a squeeze top and bottom. So let's see if I can get my hand in and do it. Not easily. If you had little hands you might be alright. I can't get my fingers up to it. I'll get the plug. Plug's easy. And this. Right, let's take it off and we can see what we're doing. Alright, so we've got to get this one off. I think it just pulls off. Yep. What's in there? Oh, there's a little tweeter in there. Just push that out of the way. There's a screw. Oh, there's hidden screws. Look. Ah. Cheeky monkeys. Let's see if we can get that to go then. We don't want that to come out with it, do we? Oh, well, I'm making a right meal of this, aren't I? Unplug that. I think we can pop the tweaker out just by spreading a little tab, so that gives us a bit of room. Now by the feel of it, there's something under here, so we'll try and get this off as well. There must be a way. There must be a way. There. Right, well, I don't want to break anything, but this bit doesn't seem to want to come out. Unless that's got to go up. Has it got to go up? Yeah. Ta-da! So here we have it. That bit was really quite tight to prise off. So it was on that lip there. So I had to get a screwdriver up under there and lift it. And once it started going, it was okay. But yeah, not too bad. I couldn't work out the plug on that, so I just popped the whole tweeter out. But yeah, here we go. Lovely jubbly. And that's the plug for the new switch. So I'll plug that in. Well, let's plug it in now. Let's check it works. Turn the old ignition on. That's right. That one's alright. So, oh, that's weird. That's got auto down and auto up, but the driver's side hasn't. Okay, well, yeah, whatever. Alright, so next we've got to look at what it looks like in here. So we're just looking at the panel upside down there. You can see the clips in there. They're slightly different, they're metal ones. But I'm guessing we just pop that one in like that. That's it. So that's that one. We get our other one. And sorry, I'm doing this very cack-handedly. That one should. There. Just pop in like that. So. There. So just got to put it back together then. Well, the film was coming off, so I've used just a bit of double-sided sticky tape to put it on. Because, you know, if any moisture comes in here, you don't want it running the door, really. Sorry, when any moisture comes in this side, you don't want it to run out the door. But anyway, let's try putting this back together, shall we? Just got to plug that in first. Alright, just a quick check. That one works. That one works. And better check. That one works. And that mirror works. Sorted. Well, that's it, guys. Sorted. Not too bad a job. Didn't take too long. I think you could do it from the underside, just by popping out the bottom of the door panel. If you could get a screwdriver in just to sort of flick those clips, and I reckon it's doable. Obviously I was trying to do it with my fingers. Not easy, especially when you've got big chubby ones like mine. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully this is a quick one. We'll see. I'll make it as quick as I can because it should be a quick job. I've waffled on enough. Thank you so much for coming on another little Corsa, not adventure, another journey into the realms of cheap cars and saving them from scrap, etc, etc. Yeah, if you like what we're doing, please give us a thumbs up. helps the channel, brilliant. And that's it, I think. Oh no, forgot. Look us up on Instagram, Larks_workshop. We've also got a Facebook page as well. And I guess I hope to see you next time. Cheers then. This is flipping hard. I can't work out why. Or how. Why can't I work out how? Why can't I work out how?